Thank you, Madam Speaker. The question is directed to the Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport. Can the Minister advise the House on the progress of the Waste Management System project, of which $4.2 million was allocated in the 2016-2017 budget? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Honourable Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member. Madam Speaker, in the 2016-2017 budget, 4.2 million, in fact it's more than 4.2 million, was allocated to undertake waste management project. Madam Speaker, out of this allocation, 3.2 million will be used to construct the Numboro landfill stage 2 cell 2 to expand its capacity in order to manage the solid waste. Madam Speaker, the Government Tender Board has approved H. Leach for the construction of cell 2, and the works will commence soon. Thank you.
Thank you. Honourable Parveen Kumar.
Madam Speaker, supplementary question.
Supplementary question.
Can the Minister please detail how Fiji hopes to improve on waste management to more cohesive nationwide sustainable approaches such as recycling, given our COP23 presidency status, where we should be leading by example?
Thank you. Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, in fact, the question that has been raised is the allocation for waste management for a specific area, that is Numboro, but nothing is stopping me to respond to Honourable Chan. There are programs in place for recycling. All municipal councils are doing recycling projects, not in a very big way, but at a small scale. They have also included the schools to do recycling. And also I may add that we are looking at 2 dump sites in Western Division and in Numboro to see how we can generate energy out of waste. So these are some of the programs that is in place. Thank you.
Thank you. Honourable Noikula.
The gentleman has highlighted a lot of problems with the Numboro landfill contractor. Are you employing the same contractor or is it a different contractor?
Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, the tender was called for this particular project, and H. Leach tendered, and they were the successful bidder. Thank you.
Honourable Rocky Luraki.
There's a land been given by the landowners in Taveuni as a dump site. So far there's no progress. Can the Minister please address for the waste management disposal? A land has been given by the landowners of Taveuni. Can enlighten us on that issue. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
In fact, it's a totally new question, Madam Speaker. But if the Honourable Member can tell me who are the landowners and whom they have given that land, so that I can work on that. Thank you.
Thank you. I will allow you to clarify on that.
Yes, it's given by the landowners of Somsomo Taveuni, and it's been given to the government. Thank you.
Government, which department? Which department? Which department?
For rubbish disposal. For the whole island.
There's no rubbish.
Honourable Minister, you can have that as a written, you can provide a written answer to that question. Thank you. And I give the floor to the Honourable Salabin.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and thank you, Honourable Minister. Can the Honourable Minister enlighten the House on the proposed waste management project that is supposed to build in Langere? Is that part of this 4.2 4.2 million, or is it a new one? And if it's a new one, what's the progress of that project, Madam Speaker? Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. You for the project or against the project? Because I will tell this House what's happening.
She was the one who...
I will inform this Honourable House what's happening. Here, they come and ask what's the progress. But when there is consultation by my department, these are the same people who sit there and go against the proposal. And they are asking about the progress. Madam Speaker, listen. Madam Speaker, my team has been having consultation. There is a reserve land, government land, where it was decided to have this transfer station. Unfortunately, when we had the consultation, the residents in the surrounding area, which also included Honourable Member who have raised this, was part of it, and they were against. But they do not understand how this project will operate. Everything will be contained within the shed. So I'm going now in 2 weeks' time, I'm going to have this consultation with them, and I hope the Honourable Member will be there as well.